Bună ziua, Romania! This is Cotnari, good Romanian wine. Very nice, some of the finest wines in Europe. And actually, March the 18th, I'm coming back to Cluj and I'm looking forward for that weekend. I'm gonna have some of the best wine, some of the best kitchen, like the sarmale, the ciorba de pereșoare. I'm really looking forward to come back to Romania. Oh, I almost forgot. I also have a match. They're gonna put me in the ring against this guy, Zafar. Zafar is his name. I have no idea who the kid is, but he will know why I was voted Wrestler of the Year in Romania. He's gonna know why I'm the former Romanian Pro Wrestling Champion. He's gonna know why I am 4 times European Champion. May the best man win. I mean, Lord Van Dam is in the house.
I am here to wake you up!